Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance and a budgeting app you might have heard of, pocketguard. But before we jump into features and functionalities, let's get real. Is pocketguard completely free, or is there a hidden subscription lurking in the shadows? This question plagues many budget-conscious folks. After all, who wants to download an app, get excited about its features, only to discover a paywall blocking the good stuff? Fear not, financially fabulous friends. Let's unveil the truth about pocketguard's pricing structure. The free stuff, a solid foundation. First things first, pocketguard offers a perfectly usable free tier. This basic version provides a solid foundation for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Here's what you get with the free plan. Transaction tracking. Connect your bank accounts to pocketguard, and it automatically categorizes your income and expenses. No more manual data entry, hallelujah. Bill tracking. Never miss a due date again. pocketguard keeps track of your upcoming bills and sends you friendly reminders. Balance tracking. See your account balances in real time, right within the app. No more app hopping or frantic refreshes. Budgeting basics. Set up a simple budget to keep your spending in check. While basic, it gives you a starting point for managing your finances. This free tier is a great way to test the waters and see if pocketguard suits your budgeting style. It's perfect for those who are new to budgeting or simply prefer a straightforward approach. Unlocking the power, pocketguard Plus. Now, for those who crave more control and advanced features, pocketguard offers a premium subscription called pocketguard Plus. This is where the app truly shines. Here's a taste of what Plus brings to the table. Advanced budgeting. Create custom categories, set spending goals, and track progress towards those goals. Plus allows for a more nuanced and personalized budgeting experience. Debt payoff plans. Feeling overwhelmed by debt? pocketguard Plus helps you create a strategic plan to tackle those pesky loans and credit cards. Unlimited connections. Connect as many bank accounts as you need, giving you a holistic view of your entire financial picture. Financial insights. Get personalized reports and insights to understand your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Extended transaction history. See a longer history of your transactions for better financial analysis. pocketguard Plus is definitely for the budgeting enthusiasts who want to take their financial management to the next level. But before you jump in, let's talk about the cost. The price tag, weighing your options. pocketguard Plus offers two subscription options. Monthly, this plan provides flexibility for those who might only need the premium features for a short period. The exact cost can vary depending on promotions, but it typically falls around $7 to $8 per month. Lifetime. For those who are committed to long-term financial planning, pocketguard offers a lifetime subscription. This one-time fee gives you permanent access to Plus features, typically costing around $40 to $50. Ultimately, the best pricing option depends on your needs and budget. If you're unsure, the free tier is a great starting point. Once you get comfortable with pocketguard and see the value it offers, you can consider upgrading to Plus. The takeaway, free or Plus? You decide. So, does pocketguard have a subscription? Yes, it offers a premium tier called pocketguard Plus with advanced features. But the good news is, you can get started with the free version and still have a valuable budgeting tool at your disposal. The choice between free and Plus boils down to your individual needs. If you're happy with basic budgeting and don't crave extensive customization, the free tier is perfectly sufficient. However, if you want to get serious about taking control of your finances, pocketguard Plus offers a wealth of features to help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.